So when I contour, you can use a couple different things. I've got stick foundation that's just in a darker shade, which I find this easy to use. You can also use a pressed powder. This is the same shade as my stick foundation that I use. Or you can use bronzer, whichever one you prefer. I'm going to use the pressed powder just so you can see. Actually, I can do pressed powder on this side and stick foundation on that side so you can see the difference. And when I do this, I use an angled brush. So you just swirl, tap off the extra. And what you want to do for your cheeks, you can suck in, kind of see where that line starts, and you want to go to the top of your ear. So that's the kind of angle you want. And then you can do it on your forehead and down here. This gives your illusion that your forehead is smaller. So if you have like elongated forehead, you can do that. And then you want to take the extra and go on your jawline here. I've got a double chin, so that's what I like to do. And then you take whatever's extra and you can go down your nose and underneath your lip. So that's kind of the basic how you want to do it. And then you just take your foundation brush and you can kind of just blend out those crazy sharp lines. And if you ever feel like it's too dark, you can just add your normal foundation back into it and lighten it up a little bit. And then I'll show you guys how I do the stick foundation. So you kind of just do the same thing. You draw that line. And this product goes a long way, so you never need to use a lot of it. And then you just swirl it out. And then if you feel like you've added too much, you can just take your foundation color and just add it back in there. So you got the stick foundation. This is going to give you more of that dewy look if you use that. And then this side I use the powder. You can kind of see a difference, but I am going to make them so they're even, and then I'll keep going. you guys ever have any questions, just shoot me a message, or you can also comment. I'm usually pretty quick to getting back to you guys. Or at least I try to be. And that's it. That's kind of how you contour.